Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel again and a brand new talk video. And in today's talk video, I'll be telling you guys how you can make your own covers. So if you see this wall sticker behind, so yeah, many of you know I am a drummer here. I had ordered this from Amazon long way back before COVID-19, and so yeah, I found it cool. So I ordered it, and it's now on my wall. So, and if you see it down over here, so like this, so this is my kit. Yeah, I'll be telling you how you can make some of your covers. So some of you may find this video a little bit silly, but it's okay, and I want to share my tips with you guys. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this video. So if you find this video is a value, then give this video a like. If you are new to this channel and want more videos, then click the subscribe button below and that small notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos whenever I upload. And other than that, if you have any other questions, you can comment down below in the comment section and we'll reply for sure. And now, without wasting time, let's dive in. Okay guys, so the tip number one is to listen to your song which you have chosen. And so listen as in, listen carefully, go in deep with that song, and which instrument you are playing, and if that instrument is in the song, then listen to that closely and go in deep and see what the player has done in the song, and so play it accordingly. And then later on, if you want, you can add your own improvisation in it if you find some space in between. So like that you can add your own improvisation, and that's what other drummers do. So yeah, that's the first point. So the second point is to learn the song, and learn the groove or the notes that musician has played. For example, for drums, so for drums what I do, I pay attention on which groove that drummer he has used in the song, and what are the fills where he has hit the crash, where is the ride coming, where is the kick, what is the kick pattern. So that's how we musicians pay attention mostly onto. And so like that you can also do if you have interest in music. And so as you already know that this channel is mainly focusing on music, but mainly with that I also upload some talk videos just like this. So they will be in the cards and some of them will be in the description, so you can check it out later. And also do follow me on my social media, Instagram. So the link will be in the description, and here's my username. So you can directly go on to Instagram and search my name, or click that link in the description and it will take you directly to my page. You can do either one of them. So the third step is to get on the instrument and try to play it. So once you have heard this song many times, so yeah, there is one more thing, this is important. Always keep listening to this song wherever you go. That's one thing. And so whenever you go, just keep listening to that song again and again. And if you don't feel confidence like I have got it, then come on the instrument and try to play it and see how it sounds on the drums. So my teacher told me that learn the groove or the fill. So learn in the sense like try to understand the sound and then go on drums and try it on your own or your own way. So that's how you do, and then after that you will get the song, and you will work on it, and then you will upload it on your channel or wherever you want to. So this is the third point. And and so it comes in the third point. So that's why I said. And again, the fourth point is to record and then upload it to your channel or your social media or wherever you want to. And these are the 4 steps mainly I thought of and I wanted to share with you guys. So here are the steps, and I will repeat once again for you guys in short. The first step is to listen to the song. Second step is to learn the song. The third step is to understand the song. And the fourth step is to record, or whatever you want to do, you do. So yeah, you can play it for your enjoyment just like that, or you can upload it on your YouTube channel again if you have one, or on your social media. So like that you can do, and these were the 4 steps. So here you go, and I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a like. If you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing. If you have any questions, then do let me down in the comment section and we'll reply you for sure. And other than that, I am Mehul once again, and peace out. Also guys, one last thing I just wanted to mention. It's about my friend, and he has just started a new YouTube channel too. If you are interested in gaming, you can check out his channel. Also the link will be in the description. And so yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. If you like gaming and want to collab with him, I can put the link in the description, and you can directly go onto his channel and check out his channel. If you like, then give it a like to his videos, consider subscribing to his channel, and that's all. So yeah, leave some feedback for him. Yeah, that's all. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.